In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut a 3D object in AutoCAD using Slice command. If you're working with 3D solids or surfaces and need to separate a model into parts, create a quick section, or cleanly trim a shape, the Slice command is a fast and precise way to do it. We'll keep this simple. First, type Slice into the command line and press Enter. You can do this from any view, but your current view influences how the cut is interpreted, so it helps to have the model oriented in a way that makes the cut direction obvious. A quick orbit or zoom to frame the area you want to slice can make your picks more accurate and easier to see on screen. Next, select the object you want to slice. Click directly on the 3D solid or surface so it highlights. You can select a single object or multiple objects if you want them all cut the same way. Once the object is selected, AutoCAD will prompt you to define the slicing plane. Now, pick one point and then another point. These 2 points guide the cut. Think of them as defining the edge or direction of the slicing plane in relation to your current view. After you click the first point, move your cursor to where you want the slicing direction to extend and click the second point. AutoCAD uses those 2 picks to establish the plane and applies the cut through your selected object. If your points are snapped to meaningful locations on the model, you'll get a cleaner, more intentional slice. You don't have to overthink it. Just make sure you can clearly see where you're clicking and choose points that line up with the cut you have in mind. If the result isn't what you expected, simply undo and try again from a different viewing angle or by choosing 2 points that better reflect the intended plane. Once the slice is applied, your object will be split into separate pieces along that plane. This is great for isolating interiors, removing excess material, or preparing parts for editing. You can select either piece to move it aside, hide it, or delete it, depending on what you need next. And that's all there is to it. Type Slice and press Enter, select the object, then pick one point and another point to define the cut. With a bit of practice choosing clear, intentional points, you'll be slicing 3D objects in AutoCAD quickly and confidently.